to use the highlighter when you're in a document, click on the highlighter button. The highlighter tool will open. Choose the color you would like to use and highlight the text. Change colors for different themes, subjects, or to organize your work. The highlighter is a useful tool for taking notes, collecting texts, and organizing ideas. Collect and sort the highlights in a separate document, where you can listen to the text. Page 3. Benefits. Improved word recognition skills and vocabulary. Improved reading comprehension, fluency, accuracy, and concentration. Improved information recall and learning, memory enhancement. Save the collected highlights in your library for future use. Keep or clear the highlights in the original document. You may also use the pointer tool within the highlighter to combine highlighting and reading and listening.